Howdy folks, TJ here. Thought I would, for the first time, try to tie a Kebari with no vise. So no vise here, and but I do have whiskey, so I'm going to pour myself a little bit of whiskey over ice here, and try to tie my first Kebari without a vise. And it's going to be a little bit more difficult because if you follow me in other areas, you know that my Kebari normally have two colored threads. So I think my first fly I'm going to just try tying with one thread, and if I can get through it, I'll figure out a way to incorporate the second thread, which I think I've got in my mind how to do it, but can my fingers handle it? Probably not. I'm going to try something different. Normally I have the camera pointing down and tying as, or showing the video as a tying perspective that you're the tyer. But I think this time I'm going to just try to pan in the camera and just show me tying it here in front of me. That should work. We'll try it at least. Suntory whiskey. Mike Willis got me this. Very nice of him. So let's, I'm going to pan in a little bit here and we'll see if this camera actually lets me do the front video panning in. I think that's as much panning as you can do right there. That might work. You'll see my stomach instead of my ugly face. You still see some of me. I think I'll take off my glasses. I did get my feather prepared. Got some scissors and thread. I think on this one I'm going to go ahead and try to tie it with a black thread. Now I watched my buddy, co-worker John Gear tie a Kebari without a vise. He makes it look so easy, but he's been doing it for a long time. This is going to be probably pretty difficult for me to do, but I'm going to try it. So I'm in my left hand, I'm getting the hook, and this is a barbless hook. Otherwise, I'd probably be all, yeah! And let's see if I can at least get the thing started. So I'm going to grasp the thread, even if you waste a little bit. I'm going to grasp it with those fingers down here, like he kind of showed. I think he showed that. And I'm going to try to start the eye. And you got to have like ninja grip. And I probably should have chose a better bobbin than what I got here. But so far, so good. And you're probably not picking this up, I'm guessing, but you can hear me yap about it. And I'm gonna really get your fingers in there tight. I wonder how you get it to the back. I guess kind of lean it down. Probably gonna prick myself. I think I'll tie back. You gotta have like, really got itchy nose. Grip tight. I'm gonna put a head on this thing. You know the problem with doing this? It's a little harder to drink. I don't have a vise holding everything for me. Oh, looks like a nice little head. All right. So now it's time to try to tie in. Let me go back a little farther. So now I got to tie this guy in. So let's see. Try to tie in my. Now does he do this? I think you probably tie it in with the concord down like that, so it's feathers running down. So let me see if I can figure out a way to put this over, hold it, peel some of this stuff back, and try to wrap, get all wrapped around myself here. I think I'm getting it locked in all right. I want to do a few more. This is stressful. All right, now I'm going to try to... Now, I remember him saying, get your finger straight up to the back of it there. So when you're wrapping the hackle around, it forces it automatically forward for you. Don't let go. I think, yeah, you got to do that so you can fluff these feathers forward. And then grab it. I think that's enough. Now, lean back a little bit. Oh, don't let go. And let go. Gotta hold it. Get some lock in that hackle. It's going to look ugly right now, but I think it's working. It's a little stress on the hand here. All right, so let's see. I want to create some body in the back here. Contour it up. It's going to be kind of hard to make some half hitches over the top of this, but I hopefully will prevail. All right. I think, if I remember right, I can cut this black thread off in the back that's causing me some havoc for release right now. So I tied that off. And I think I can cut that doohickey off too here. All right, so how in the heck? So I think you kind of do this. Nope, that's not right. I don't know if I did that right. I'm trying to do a hand whip finish. Gotta make a loop, carry it over the top. Nope, that's not working. It was hard to watch what he was doing. Nope, that's not right either. I gotta think about this. Okay, I think I got one there. I want to do a number of these. Voila! I think I actually did it. Now, do I leave the tail or not? Tail I'm typically all right with, but you know what? I'm going to leave the tail on this one. I'm okay with the tail. So now let me spruce this up a little bit. I don't know. I mean, it will fish. It's not pretty. But none of my flies are very pretty, so... Just play around with some of these feathers a little bit. Yeah, it's an ugly fly, but you know what? I think I did it. The spot of glue. Let's see. Oh, where is it on this? There it is. Probably not picking up now, huh? There we go. So that's my Kebari. And you know, I think it will fish. I think it will fish. Now, do I want to even try to attempt to tie a second thread in there? To tell you the truth, my salt and pepper Kebari is just black and white. It's not like I have to have two threads on there. This might be perfectly acceptable for, you know, fly that's going to catch trout. Sweet. I did it. Thanks for watching. Gonna put it in my little Volkswagen fly holder, and I think I'll tie some more. Thanks for watching.